Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the main power control board in a Samsung dryer. It's going to be very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips and a flat blade screwdrivers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new main power control board. The main power control board is mounted on the inside of the dryer's cabinet on the top left. It controls and operates all of the major dryer functions. If one or more features of the dryer won't work, check the main power control board and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to remove the top panel, which is held in place by two screws, one in each corner. I'm using a Phillips screwdriver. I'm going to take them out. Now I'm going to remove the top panel. I'm going to slide it back, and then we can lift it off. The main power control board is inside this box, and it's held in place by three screws using a Phillips screwdriver. I'm going to take them out. I'm going to flip the board on the side, and we're going to disconnect the power plugs. Before disconnecting the plugs, I recommend you to take a couple of pictures. We're going to zoom down, take this side picture, and then this side picture. Now I can disconnect the plugs. All right, I'm going to start with opening this retainer, so I can pull out this harness. Then I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to pull out from here, free the harness completely, and then I'm going to start removing the plugs. There's a tab on the side, push it in, pull the plug out. The second, same thing, tab on the side, push in, pull apart. And this one, there's a tab right here, press it in, pull it apart, tab right here, pull it apart. Then we go on this side, there's a tab right there, pull it out, and then I'm going to use a flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to pry this up a little bit, see if it comes off. Okay, then let's see if we can do this without the screwdriver. Yep, comes off easily. So that's it. This is the old main power control board next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. All right, I'm going to install the new main power control board. I'm going to start with placing it right there, and we're going to start plugging it. So I'm going to plug this one first. Press it in, make sure it's plugged all the way. And this one. If you're not sure, refer to the pictures we took earlier. But I think it's pretty much self-explanatory. Be careful, don't cut yourself. The housing is sharp. Okay? I'm gonna check all of them so they all plugged in properly. And now I'm gonna push this into the retainer on this side. And then I'm going to lock this one into this retainer. Twist it. Turn it over. This goes over. And this goes over the top. Next, we're going to secure this control board housing to the cabinet. I have 3 screws. Match the holes using a Phillips screwdriver. Now I can install the top panel. place it on evenly, about 2 inches from the front panel, and I'm going to slide it forward and it will lock. Next, we're going to secure the top panel with a couple of screws at the back. I'm using a Phillips screwdriver. Plug the dryer in and check if it's drying properly. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.